What seems to be the problem, officer? No problem. I just wanted to tell you that you are the 100th person I've seen wearing a seatbelt. You have won $5,000. That's great. What a surprise. So, buddy, what are you gonna do with your winnings? First, get a driver's license. Second, pay up for it. Don't believe him. He always talks big when he's drunk. Third, pay off child support. Fourth, pay off my warrant. Oh man, fourth, no. Whoa, a cop. Darn it. I knew we wouldn't get far in a stolen car.
Did you not hear me talking? I heard everything you were saying.
Fifth, pay off my rent. Hey, amigo, have we crossed the border yet?
Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort.